Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Stock number is A8116. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60/40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated seats and a heated steering wheel. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Grand Caravan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.